All right, we are at Nagoya Castle right now, and we're just going to do a quick review of the experience. So Nagoya Castle is, I guess, somewhat lesser known, at least from me. I've only been to Nijo Castle and Osaka Castle, as well as the one closer to Okayama. I think Okayama Castle was yeah, it's basically called Okayama Castle, I believe, and Himeji Castle. So I've been to 4 castles. So each one has their own like feel for sure, but this one, in my opinion, has like one of the best like sets of art that I've seen. Like for instance, Nijo's castle art it's nice when you first enter it, like the whole like traditional panel art that you go inside and you see like the sort of like the tigers and everything like that. Like you've seen it in one castle, you kind of seen it in all of them. But this one, after like maybe the first few sets of art, I'll also show it because you can actually record it. Unlike I think some of the other castles, some of the art is just like extremely beautiful. It's like some of the most like, I don't know, serene and also like interesting art I've seen from a castle. And the outside area is also really beautiful. Like it reminds me of Osaka Castle as well, where there's a big outer area that you can explore. I just found this area and I thought it was one of the nicer places. We can do a little shot right here, but yeah, like definitely worth visiting. It's only 500 yen for this one. Nijo Castle's like double the price or more depending on when you go, and really nice art experience, like art viewing experience. And the inside was very, very nice, like the structure of it. You can't go in this castle itself. It's like there's like a main area near it that you go into that you view, and I believe like it has like, yeah, I think it's like the main attraction, not the actual castle right here. So that area, when you enter, is what you see and the main attraction, and it's really, really nice. But yeah, that is basically the really, really, really quick review of Nagoya Castle. Definitely check it out. It's worth the visit. It's really quick.